my name is Van Willard with MarineMax Louisville. Today we're going to be discussing the 250 Solstice, which is manufactured by Harris. Okay, this is one of our most popular boats that we have. This is a 250 Solstice. A lot of lounge area up front here to carry a lot of people. In-floor ski storage, very deep inside, so you can put gear and all kinds of tubes and all in there. Upgrade sound system with a JL sound system with the subwoofer and 6 speakers. This boat has 2 captain's chairs instead of just the one, which we usually see on a lot of boats. And of course, this is a 360-degree chair, so this passenger here can sit and visit with the friends in the back. In our console setup, we've got a fiberglass console, Simrad's GPS system with speedometer and hour meter, and also your RPMs. And then back here we have our most popular seating, which is our rear-facing seating, front-facing seating, which is very easy to take and change. And there you go. Very popular back here, large deck. We've got the fenders here, which are very popular. You throw them overboard, and protect your boat. And then a large deck here on the back with a swim step here, which is basically falls down. If you're out on the water and you're tired, you can swim up to it and not even have to get aboard the boat. Relax for a minute and then swim away. Also, this is powered with 350 horsepower Mercury engine. And here we have our ski tow bar. 4-step swim step makes it easy for us older folks to get inside the boat. One of the most popular items on this boat is the fiberglass arch, which folds down by pushing a button. Really adds styling to this boat, gives it an up-to-date look. Again, this is a 230 Solstice manufactured by Harris. This boat is in MarineMax Louisville, and my name is Van Willard. I'll be very happy to go through this boat with you. Thank you.